Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us once again. Love you guys. So today I'll be showing you how to make this beaded sleeve on this beautiful dress. I'll be dropping the link for this dress down below. So guys, let's get right into the video. These are the materials we'll be needing. We'll be needing measuring tape, cutter, or you can use scissors. I'll need pencil to mark where I'll be fixing the beads. We have here beading thread. This is, you can call it fishing line or invisible thread, beading thread. As you can see, hope you can see it. Yeah, it's in different sizes. And also, this is a thread. You can use thread, normal thread, to bead. Next, we have this bead. It's rubber bead, and it's a pearl bead. It's called bullet bead. You see how it look? Bullet pearl bead. And here we have crystal beads. Hope you can see it clearly. So crystal beads, we have them in different sizes and different shapes. And it's not that expensive. You can get it in the market. So I think I'll be using only the crystal beads. I wanted to use both the crystal beads and the bullet pearl beads, but I decided to use only the crystal beads. So let me put the pearl beads aside. The next thing is to choose the size of the beading needle you want to use. So we have different types of beading needles. We have the smaller size. I have many sizes. They're all different sizes. This is number 12. We have number 14, 16. We have different sizes. And we have bigger ones and longer ones. This is how the longer ones look like. Let me show you. You see the longer ones. These are long beads. This is used for like this beaded sleeve I want to make. You can use the long one so that I can pick a lot of beads, because you need a trend of beads to fix on the dress. So I'm using the long beads. This is a longer bead that have eye where you pass through your thread. So this is it. You can see it. I'm using this. So the next thing to do is to take the dress I'm going to bead on. This is the dress. It's a sleeved dress, and I'm going to be beading on the armhole of the dress. So this is a thread dress. As I said in my intro, I have it on my channel. I'll be linking it down below for you to go and watch if you want to learn how to make this beautiful road colored dress. To start with, I'll be threading the needles first, and then we go straight to the beading of the armhole. This is the armhole, which we are going to be beading on both. I've threaded the needle, and I use the black thread instead of using the invisible one. I prefer using the normal thread because it makes it relax well on the dress. I'll start from the down part, not from the shoulder. I'll start from the armpits. That's the armhole side. Okay, I'm measuring 2.5 inches from the down part of the armhole. So on this 2.5 inches, I'm going to mark it with my pencil like so. So this is the front side of the dress. So I pin where the 2.5 inches ends so that I can get the same measurements at the back. So what I'm going to do now, I take my needle, I went through the down side, that's the wrong side of the armhole, and I punch it out like this on the 2.5 inches. So you make sure that you secure it, so you secure it well at the back so that it will not loose when you attach the beads. After securing it at the back, you bring the needle to the front and start picking the beads. It's 16 inches. That's the first one. I started from the down part. So let's measure it and see. So this is it. Hope you can see it. 16 inches. This is the first one, which is 16 inches. And I'm going to take it to the other side, the back side of the armhole, like so. You see, and I'm going to pass through the needle to the back side again. Hope you can see it. You see, you don't draw it very tight. You leave it a bit loose, You see. So let me stitch it to make sure that you secure it well so that it doesn't come out. You see how beautiful it looks. So this is our first step. So we are going to be leaving half an inch intervals, half an inch intervals in between the beads, half an inch. But the intervals between the main beads is going to be 1 inch. So now this is 16 inches. The next step is going to be 15 inches. The third step is going to be 14 inches. The fourth step is going to be 13 inches. And the fifth step is going to be 12 inches. So let me pick the second. So I'm not going to cut out the thread. I'm going to pass it through the sleeve like this to give me a neat work. So pass it through it like so. Now I'm going to pick the second step and then cross it over to the front. So I'll pick the second strand. You see, this is the second one. You know, this is 16 inches, and the second one with interval of half an inch is 15 inches. So let me put it on the tape for you guys to see. You see exactly 15 inches. So I'm going to pass it through the front. So I cross over the second one. You make it a bit loose, not that tight. So let me stitch it so that you can see how it looks. You secure it, tight it firmly so that it will not lose. So I'm done fixing the second step. This is how it looks. This is our second step. Look very beautiful. You can see that. I'll bring it like this. You see. So now I'm going to go to the third step, which is going to be 14 inches because the first one is 16 inches, the second one is 15. I'm going on the third. So guys, I'm done with the 5 steps. So I decided to add one more step, making it 6 to make it a bit fuller for me on the sleeves. So this is the last step, which is 11 inches. So I'll bring it across to this side like so, where I marked the half an inch, like this. So make sure that you leave it a bit loose, not to be tight or stiff, no. So I'll tighten it here, then I'll show you how it looks. So if you've been watching up to this stage and you never subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting on the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. After securing it, you cut the leftover thread out. And I forgot to tell you guys, I doubled the thread into 4. So this is how this side look like. You see how beautiful it looks? So I'm going to continue to do the same thing on the next sleeves. Then I'll come and show you the finishing look. So guys, this is the finishing outcome of this dress. How do you see it? The sleeve looks so beautiful and it draped nicely. You can see that I decided to make 5 drapes. That's 5 steps, but finally I end up making 6 drapes. If only you have enough beads, you can make as long as you want, or you can make as many drapes as you want. So thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and your loved ones, and also don't forget to leave comment down if you find it very interesting. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.